What is a qualified income trust, and how does it relate to Medicaid's look-back? Have you ever wondered how individuals with higher incomes can still qualify for Medicaid benefits? One effective tool in this situation is a qualified income trust. Often referred to as a Miller Trust, this legal arrangement is designed for those who need long-term care but find themselves above the income eligibility limit set by their state. So, what exactly is a qualified income trust? This trust is irrevocable, meaning once it is established, its terms cannot be altered or undone. The primary goal of this trust is to help individuals qualify for Medicaid by redirecting excess income into a trust account. This way, that income does not count against the Medicaid eligibility limit. Now, let's break down how this works. Medicaid has strict income and asset limits for eligibility. If a person's income exceeds the state's special income limit, they would typically be ineligible for Medicaid. However, by placing that excess income into a qualified income trust, it is excluded from the calculation for Medicaid eligibility. This makes it possible for individuals to qualify for the benefits they need. It is important to note that a qualified income trust is not connected to Medicaid's look-back period. The look-back period is a specific time frame, usually 5 years, during which Medicaid examines any gifts or asset transfers made by the applicant. If assets were given away or sold for less than fair market value during this period, Medicaid may impose a penalty period, making the applicant ineligible for benefits. In contrast, a qualified income trust focuses solely on income, not assets. It addresses the issue of high income that prevents Medicaid eligibility, rather than shielding assets from the look-back rules. The funds placed into a qualified income trust must be used for certain allowable expenses. These can include medical costs, personal needs allowances, and Medicaid co-payments. The trustee, who manages the trust, is responsible for ensuring that these funds are used appropriately. Setting up a qualified income trust involves creating a legal trust document, opening a dedicated bank account for the trust, and depositing the portion of income that exceeds Medicaid's limit into that account each month. Each state has its own rules regarding qualified income trusts, including specific income limits and approved uses for the trust funds. Consulting with an attorney who specializes in elder law or estate planning is highly recommended to ensure compliance with these requirements. In essence, a qualified income trust is a specialized tool that helps individuals with high income qualify for Medicaid long-term care benefits by diverting excess income into a trust account. While it does not address the Medicaid look-back period, both concepts are essential in Medicaid planning. Understanding the difference between income trusts and the look-back period is vital for effective Medicaid eligibility planning.